We're here at ATL in Foston to deliver pizzas because they've won TRP Customer of the Month. We're going inside now to surprise them.
Hi Glynn, you alright?
Hi Steve, come to surprise you. We've bought you pizzas because you've won TRP Customer of the Month.
Oh wow, thank you very much.
No worries.
These all for me?
No, they're for the lads as well.
Thank you very much. So my name's Stephen Docherty and I'm the workshop supervisor at ATL Foston. So ATL's been supplied with parts from Motus for 10 years plus, a very long-standing relationship. The benefits of TRP is the readiness of the parts, the availability. They come twice a day, but if we really need to, 3 or 4 times a day. The Motus team support us daily. It's just the professional attitude. I would recommend Motus and TRP parts to anybody, just for the professionalism and the value. Nothing's too big a ask for them, and we get great customer support, always there at the end of the phone if you need them. Nothing's too big an ask.
I'm Glynn Reynolds and I'm the Regional Part Support Executive. At Motus Commercials I support 3 depots and certain key customers like ATL. ATL's probably one of my favourite customers. They're always honest, and if they need something, they'll tell you they need something. They'll source it at the right time.